From the moment fuel leaves the tank, every drop must travel through a chain of components that preserve flow, pressure, and consistency. One critical member of that chain is the feed or transfer pump, especially in VA-based injection systems. This device doesn't grab headlines, but its absence or failure can cripple performance. In this presentation, the internal workings, failure symptoms, replacement criteria, installation protocols, and practical tips are all laid out, centered around the widely used 09614020030 pump, also found under catalog numbers like 1,467,030,308 in some listings. Begin with the concept. High-pressure fuel injection systems require a consistent, pressurized supply from upstream. The feed pump's job is to draw fuel from low-pressure, tank side, and deliver it at a stable, moderate pressure to the injection pump so it never runs out. If the supply line dips, cavitates, or starves, the injection pump cannot maintain its own high pressures, and engine performance becomes unpredictable. Underneath this simple rule lies challenging mechanical demands. The drive may come via cam lobe, gear train, or eccentric coupling. Inside, a rotor, vanes, or pistons trap fuel and push it forward. The internal clearances must be minimal, surfaces smooth, and internal leakage kept extremely low. The pump encounters fluctuating demand, from idling to full throttle, and must maintain continuity, resisting vapor lock, cavitation, and thermal stresses. Turning attention to 09614020030, this model is common in many VA injection systems. Its specifications, port sizes, mounting orientation, drive coupling, flow and pressure ratings, must align with the system's requirements. Simply matching numbers is not enough, compatibility in shape and function is paramount. Failure modes often reveal themselves gradually, then escalate. Observed symptoms include delayed or hard engine cranking, especially in cold starts. Low or unstable fuel pressure on a gauge. Hesitation, stalling, or surging under acceleration. Sooty or excessive smoke during load, if downstream systems overfuel. Whining or unusual noises around the pump or fuel lines. Because the fuel delivery chain includes filters, lines, and injectors, symptoms may mislead, misdiagnoses are common. Yet, replacing or ignoring the feed pump often reveals itself as the true fix. When selecting a replacement, attention to the following is essential. Inlet/outlet port diameter, thread type, and orientation. Drive interface, spline, gear, shaft, eccentric. Mounting hole layout and alignment. Rated flow volume and pressure. Internal construction, materials, tolerances. A pump that looks similar but varies in one dimension or tolerance can underperform or fail prematurely. The installation procedure demands care. Air must be eliminated, priming is vital. All seals, O-rings, and gaskets must be fresh. Block or bracket surfaces must be clean and flat. Bolts require proper torque values in tightening sequence once installed. Fuel pressure must be checked across idle, partial, and full throttle regimes. Any deviation or irregularity hints at misalignment, internal leakage, or mismatched specs. The catalog number 1,467,030,308 is often equivalent to 09614020030 depending on region or vendor. The key is matching the effective parameters. Consider a scenario: a vehicle equipped with a VA injection system exhibits difficulty starting and hesitation under load. A replacement pump is ordered, matching 09614020030. Prior to installation, port orientation, drive coupling, and mounting geometry are confirmed. The old pump is removed after depressurizing the system, and the mounting face is cleaned. The replacement is aligned, torqued correctly, lines connected, and the system primed. Startup occurs gently, and pressures are measured, perhaps 2.8 bar at idle, climbing to 5 bar mid-throttle, and 7 bar under full load, values depending on engine. Under acceleration tests, no pressure drop or surging occurs. The repair succeeded. If instead pressure collapses during load, the issue likely lies in internal leakage, misfit installation, or specification mismatch. Additionally,